credible allegations of a potential link between agents of the government of India and the killing of a Canadian citizen, Hardeep Singh Nijjar.
It is critical that the Canadian investigation proceed, and it would be important that India work with the Canadians.
The Justice Department has charged an Indian national in a foiled plot to assassinate a Sikh separatist in New York City.
The DOJ says 52-year-old Nick Gupta was an Indian government employee living in India. Back in May, he tried to hire a hitman in New York to kill a man by the name of Gurpatwant Singh Panoon, an American citizen and Canadian citizen.